Alright, hey guys. Today we're going to be going over lists, how to style those lists, and comments. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we have our index.html with our title lists and the tab on our browser. First, I'm going to show you how to make a comment. Now to make a comment, you start with a tag and then you add 2 dashes. If it doesn't autocomplete for you, just add a second dash on the end and it should complete if you're using a different text editor. Inside this comment we'll put unordered list, since that is the first type of list that we're going to be looking at. Now we're going to add a h3 header and call it steps to make a website. We'll make an unordered list and add a list item. This UL is the unordered list and this list item is the contents within the list. Now we can write HTML or add HTML, add another 2, add CSS, and then add JS. Now here's a simple list. Alright, now to add style to this list, to make it look different, these bullet points specifically, you would add a style property and make it list style and call it, for example, list style dash type, because we want to change those bullet points specifically, colon disk. This is the disk, so it didn't change at all. But if we add something else like a decimal, it would be 1, 2, 3. Should be actually 1, shouldn't it? Wait, never mind. Yep, decimal leading 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, decimal type 1, 2, 3. Now there is a easier way to do this. We'll keep this as disk for now, but with the ordered list it's much easier. Next we'll go on to the ordered list. Make a comment, call it ordered list, and add a h3 header and call it homeworks to do. Or actually, let's make it do homeworks. Next we'll make an order list with the OL tag and add a list item, call it complete maths exam revision. Add another one, make it complete English essay instead, and complete DT project. If we reload this and save, by default these ordered lists will have it by 1, 2, 3. If we change it to type A, capital A, wait, nope, A, it will be capital of the alphabet. If we make it lowercase, it will be lowercase alphabet. If we add another one and call it, for example, complete chemistry homework, it will be A, B, C, D. Now we'll go into descriptive lists. We'll add a comment, call it descriptive lists, and add a header and call it different programming languages. Next we'll add a descriptive list and call it a DD for, wait no, sorry, it's DT for a list item equivalent. I don't know what it stands for. It should be somewhere around the screen when I'm editing this video. So for a DT, it's basically just a list item inside a descriptive list. We'll write on HTML and add the DD, which is equivalent. Well, DD and DT are different because a DT is all the way at the side of the screen, except a DD is indented, meaning it looks as if the DT is what the DD is. The DD is a description of the DT. So if we write foundation of the website, save it, as you can see, the DT is indent all the way to the side of the screen. The D is indented, so it looks more of a description. We're going to add this 2 more times, call this CSS design and JS functionality. If we save this, it looks like this. There is a better way to do this. It looks much better in my opinion. I mean, you could just make these if you want, but with these nested lists, which we're going to go over next, it looks much better. So add a h3 tag and write ingredients for a pizza, because I'm really craving some right now. A nested list is basically just a list inside of another list. So if we add an unordered list and add a list item, right, bread dough for a pizza, another list item, tomato sauce, another list item, cheese, and now here comes the nested list item, and then inside that list item we'll add an unordered list, right, and call it mushrooms. Wait, no, should be another list item inside the unordered list inside the list item, if you get what I mean. Sorry. And we'll call it mushrooms, chicken, and beef. Or actually, pineapple. Ha! Save it, and this is how it looks. If we remove these unordered lists, actually, it should look similar. Never mind, you do need those unordered lists. Alright. This is how you make. This is all about lists and comments. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.